Exposing the secret to clear skin. Say goodbye to blackheads with this easy DIY mask. Grab your ingredients. You'll need 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, 2 tablespoons of water or milk, and 1 capsule of activated charcoal. First, mix the gelatin and water or milk in a small bowl. Microwave it for 10-15 seconds until it's liquid. Carefully open the activated charcoal capsule and add the powder to your gelatin mixture. Mix well. Now apply the mask to your face, focusing on those blackhead-prone areas. Use a brush or your fingers. Let it dry completely, which takes about 20-30 minutes. Once dry, gently peel off the mask, pulling out those blackheads. Finally, rinse your face with warm water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Activated charcoal draws out impurities, and gelatin forms a peelable layer that removes blackheads when peeled off. Simple, right? Enjoy your clear skin.